You say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love you.
And I will again.
Love Daddy again?
Love Daddy again?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you said that.
Good.
You made me happy. Do you know you made me happy?
Did you give Daddy a birthday kiss yet?
Oh, thank you. The chickpea kiss.
Wait, what are you eating, Isabella?
Chicken peas.
Chicken peas? Okay.
Peas.
Are they good?
Good.
Are they yummy?
Poo.
Are they yummy in your tummy?
Poo.
Cool.
Hey, can you sing a song?
See that loud.
What song? You want to sing Teapot?
Teapot.
Teapot? How does it go? I'm a little... Are you going to sing it? Sunny day, sweeping the
Clouds away.
Way.
on my way to where the air.
85. I get these braids.
We're gonna have a birthday dinner for Daddy, aren't we?
Yay. That sounds super duper. Isn't that what Barney says?
You help Mommy cook.
Mommy!
Bella.
Don't do that, you're gonna fall. No jumping on the stool.
This is how well a 2-year-old listens.
You're gonna fall. No
Hey,
jumping on the stool.
can you sing A, B,
C, D,
E,
H.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Are you gonna sing?
R,
S.
S, T. What's next? U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Close.